class 8 gates, logic gates. Now, just an introduction to ICs. IC means integrated circuit. It has diodes, transistors, capacitors, resistors, etc. all packaged, all integrated in a tiny package. Okay, like this. This is called as integrated circuit. This particular package is called as dual inline package. See, dual inline package means the IC terminals are provided in two sides. Dual means two, and inline means at one side and the other side. Both of them are inline. For example, say now this is inline. See, pin number 1 and 14 are inline. If it is like this, they are not inline. Okay. So dual inline package IC. Now, how to mark or identify the IC numbers, IC pins. Sorry, IC pins. See here, this is a 4. This is 14 pin IC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and plus 7 the other side. Here you can see a notch in the form of semicircle. That is the reference. Okay, see, this semicircle or notch is the reference. And then first left pin, first left pin to the notch is pin number 1. So first left is pin number 1. Then proceed anti-clockwise. Means like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Like that. This is a 16 pin IC. But actually N means it can be anything. Any even number. Here 16 pins are shown. Out of 16 or N pins, N by 2 will be on the left side and N by 2 from the other side. The numbers 1 to N by 2 will be on the left side, and from N by 2 to N on the right side. See, this is a 14 pin IC. 1, 2, 3, like this, like this. Notch, first left pin. Sometimes there will be a circle marking on the pin number 1. Sometimes you will not see this. Sometimes you may not see the notch, only this will be there. Whatever it is, if there is only one mark, it is enough for identification. If there is no notch, but if there is circle, indicate that, understand that it is pin number 1. Then proceed anti-clockwise. IC number with some very small details will be written on the top of the IC. See here, it is written HC, F4, 0168E. In this, the number, all these things are not numbers. For example, say, if you see a NAND gate IC, okay, let us see AND gate IC, okay, 7408. AND gate IC 7408 diagram. If you see the image here, see here, it is written SN74LS08N. We are bothered only about 7408. Just ignore the other numbers. See here, 7408. L means low power. N and Sn have other details that I am not going to discuss all those things now. Okay, see here, there is notch here. Sometimes a circle is provided here. This circle is to be ignored. Okay, some manufacturers, because today lots of cheap companies are coming, duplicate means cheap companies. So they don't know how to manufacture. They don't follow the standard protocol. They give the circle somewhere else. Here you should ignore this. Ignore here, there is no notch here. Okay, right. Now let us go to the AND gate NAND and before that, this is called as IC IC socket on a printed circuit board on a PCB. You know what is a PCB? Okay, so if you see the PCB, see this is a PCB. This is a small PCB. Okay, this is a large PCB. Okay, on this PCB, okay, let us see printed circuit boards. See here, this is a PCB. This is a PCB on which ICs are soldered. IC pins are soldered. You can see here. Sometimes, now suppose say the IC has become faulty. To replace the IC, you have to remove all the soldering, which is very difficult and risky also. So some people first solder the IC socket. You can see the IC socket here. They will solder the IC socket to the printed circuit board and just fix the IC on the socket, top of the socket. This is a 24 pin socket. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 12, 24 pin socket. This is 8 pin socket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is an advantage of putting the socket. But socket will actually increase heat in the printed circuit board. So sometimes because the length of the conductor increases and also some small voltage drops will be there. Hence, some people do not give or provide socket. They directly solder. Okay. Next, this type of socket. Okay. You see the third one. This has a lock here. After fixing the IC, you can fix IC very easily here. Here, when you press, when you insert the IC, there will be a small pressure. Here, there will be no pressure. When you fix it, will just sit there, and then when you lock with this lever, then only there will be pressure, and it will get fixed, and the contact will be proper. Anyhow, when you see the IC kit, digital trainer IC kit, okay, let us see digital IC trainer kit. Okay, we'll see that. See, it will look like this. In this kit, you have different IC sockets. You can insert your IC here, and you have inputs. See logic in, see here outputs, logic outputs and logic inputs. These are actually logic output indicators. And here we have plus 5 and you can see here. See here plus 5 volt here, and also there is ground also. See here ground means 0 volt. This is 8 pin socket. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, 16 pin socket. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This socket, see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This point is internally connected to the this point. So when you put IC here, it is as good as touching here means touching the IC pin number 1. More of this will be explained later. Okay. Now we will go to uh, the notes. Okay. Right. So AND gate. AND gate is a gate having at least two inputs and an output, that you know in theory. In the theory class, it is explained. It will be explained or it is explained. Its number is 7408. NAND is 7400. So pin diagram is notch here, pin number 1, which is to the left, first pin to the left, and like this. The gates are uh, manufactured or structured in this pattern, in this manner. See, this is the symbol of AND gate. A and B are the inputs. C, Y is the output. Okay, next. So pin number 1, 2 input, 3 is output, 4, 5 input, 6 is output. There are 4 gates in this one IC, in this package. 4 2 input AND gates. This is a two input AND gate. Okay, see, this is a two input AND gate. Okay, you can have even three input AND gate. You can have a three input AND gate, A, B, Y. You can have like this. A, B. I can put here another one, C. A, B. I can put another input and write here C. So output will depends upon the values of three inputs. So A, B, C now. A, B, C. So for simplicity, we are taking only two input AND gate here. So each gate has three pins, two for input, one for output. So for four gates, 3 into 4, 3 into 4 means 12 pins are necessary. And for supplying power, you need a positive and negative of DC. So extra two pins. So 12 plus 2 is 14. So this is a 14 pin IC. Power is given between pin number 7 and 14. So you have here ground or 0 volt and here 14 or plus 5 volt. You can write this figure in the examination or this figure or this figure. Better write only third figure. Here all these four gates are shown in input and output uh, structure. You see here you cannot see input and output easily. Here all the left side are input, right side are output. Okay. Now this is the truth table of AND gate. You can see here A and B are the inputs, Y is the output. Sometimes Q is given for output. See A, B, Q. First gate. So A1, B1, Q1 or A1, B1, Y1. You can write anything. A2, B2, Y2 or Q2 like that. So here now we will take only one gate. Okay, or any gate. Okay. So output will be high only if all of the inputs are high. Means if both A and B are 1, output will be 1. Else output will be 0. That is the AND gate principle or AND gate logic. So what we do is you connect input, insert IC here, take two wires, one from, see the inputs are here, take two wires, one from here and connect it to pin number 1, second take from here, connect it to pin number 2, okay, one take from here, sorry, here, connect here, second 2 to 2. Here you can select anyone from here to whatever it is, they in any two inputs should be connected to pin number 1. 3 should be given to output, means 3 should be connected to any red slots. If you have given these two, then operate these switches. When you operate this switch to the upside, upwards, it will be high, means 1 or plus 5 volt. When you operate this to downside, it will be low or 0 or 0 volt. And then observe the output here. So connect 3 to the, if you have connected 3 to 4 by a wire, okay, then you observe the output here. If you connect third to 7, then observe here. So, and then connect 14, pin number 14 to plus 5 volt and 7 to ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, our IC 7. This is 16 pin IC. Ours is 7, means 14 pin IC. See, our IC is 14 pin. So, what you have to do is you insert there and then leave those two pins. That's all. You have to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Insert the pin is here and then take numbers like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Connect 7 to ground. Then this will be 8 now. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If you connect the 4 pin IC, see this is a 8 pin IC, 4 pin socket. If you connect 8 pin IC, you will fix the small IC here. This the lower part will be blank. So in such case, you have to mark 1, 2, 3, 4. These are blank. 5, 6, 7, 8. So like that. Fine. Now you give inputs here by operating this switch. 0, 0 means when both the switches are downside. If it is 0, 0, you will get 0. 0, 0 means 0. 0, 1 means 0. 1, 0 means 0. 1, 1 means 1. Means when both the conditions are true, then only output will be true. For example, say if you want to purchase some goods, you have to give either cash or DD, either cash or check. Say A is the cash input, B is the check input. So output will be high only if uh, both of them are, sorry, I'm sorry, not this example. It is for OR gate. Suppose say you want to come to college. Okay, you have to come in time and with uniform. So A is like time. You have to come to the class at exactly 9 o'clock. As well as you have to wear waveform, uniform. And also you have to bring all the notes with homework. You can add C. Okay, see A, B, C. This is for uniform. If uniform is correct, A will be 1. If you have come at right time, B will be 1. If you have brought all the books, C will be 1. Suppose say means homework everything is done. You can add another A, B, C, D also if you wish. You can write like this. Okay, you can also show like this: A, B, C, D, E, F. Any number you can show. You can add like this. If you want to have, if you have to come to college, you have D. For example, D say D. D means you have to submit. You have to pay the fees properly. Next, E. You have to have identity card. Okay. Next, F. say you should be healthy, not with the disease. If you have some disease, you have no entry to the class. So like that. So output will be y will be 1 only when each and everything, all of the inputs are high. So that is why in the TT you have when all the inputs are high, then only output will be high. So this is the theoretical input. Then observe the output by operating the switches, by operating these switches. Okay. Then write the values here. Okay. This one and this one should be same. And if you wish, you can repeat the experiment for the other gates. So first you will do the only 5 connections. Pin number 7, 14 to 0 and ground. Sorry, 0 and plus 5 voltage. Plus 5 is also called as plus VCC. Then connect pin number 1, 2, 3. 1 to 1 and 2 to inputs. 1 and 2 to inputs, logic inputs. 3 to outputs. Output indicator. Actually, this should be called as output indicators. Output is not here. Output is actually at this particular point. So here what we have to write is actually logic input in logic output indicators. Okay, logic inputs are here. You apply input here. Right. Now, if you are interested, you can check for other gates. 4, 5, 6. Keep 7 and 14 there itself and check for this. All the 4 gates. In the examination, you should get at least one gate proper output. If you have not got proper output, it means IC is faulty. Otherwise, your connection is wrong. Sometimes students put the IC in the reverse upside down without seeing the notch. That will actually damage the IC also. Hence, be careful while doing the experiment. Next is NAND gate. NAND gate is very much similar to AND gate. Only thing is output will be opposite of AND gate. This opposite is marked here as bubble. You can see here a bubble. See, this is the AND logic. AND. Okay, you can see here AND. NAND means here you will have a bubble. See, there is bubble. This is NAND gate. NAND gate 7400. Output will be exactly opposite of AND gate. For AND gate, you have here 0001. See, 0001. You will write A into B. Why output will be equal to A into B. And here we will have AB bar. You can see here there is a bar here. Means opposite of AB. Let us say Y1 as output observed. Means what we have seen. So NAND means not AND. Opposite of AND. So we can do the experiment similarly. Here also be sure that you will get output at least for one gate. You will get for all the 4 gates. Sometimes you may not get. Because many times students do wrong connections and sometimes some gates are damaged. For examination, you will be given a new IC. For class, you may not, but don't bother. Teacher will be with you to handle the situation. Thank you. So this is experiment number 8.